Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be demonstrating two ways to make your slider input have this round nice handles instead of the default square ones you have. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is what it looks like by default. Okay, and then if you look at it, there isn't like any way to control the roundness of the handles. Okay, so to do that quickly, um, drag an HTML element on the page. We're going to be making use of a small CSS, which is this. Okay, I'll put it on the description. And just paste it here. And you want to put it between style tags. Close it just like that. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and I'll just resize this. Guys, make sure this code or this HTML element is visible on page load, else it won't work. It has to be visible on page load. Okay, so let's preview it now. Yeah, so here you go. Now the second way is simpler. I'm just going to delete, in fact I'm going to delete everything on my page. The second way is to go to Atomic Fusion. Okay, just go to Atomic Fusion. By the way, Atomic Fusion is a platform where you can copy pre-made components. So search for slider inputs like this. Okay, this one by any, that's me. Okay, just add to bubble. Okay, if you don't have an account, just create an account, then click on add to bubble. When you do that, it will be copied to um, a list of assets you can use within your page. Okay, so I've done that, so I don't need to do that again. Let me just go back to my page. So I have an empty page now. So just come click on this icon, and then you'd see it here. I created this, so I'm seeing it under my creations, but then uh, probably you'd see it under bubble library, something like that, but still the same thing. So just click on it and then copy. Okay, after copying it, just close it like this and paste. Yeah, that's it. So everything is copied with the code. Everything is copied. Okay guys, there we go. Those are two ways to make your slider input have these round edges without being stuck with the default one with square handles.